Kiumia kihituku kamiti ya kuhurana na ungumania bururi-ini EACC ni yaikirie ngono uria wari gavana wa Kakamega Wycliffe Oparanya na atumia KABERE. EACC ikimukuruhania na kungumania shiringi bilioni 1.3 itĩna-ini riake ta gavana. NDETO atongoria ngwatanĩro-inĩ ya AZIMIO magiritanirie na mũrũgamo wa Oparanya wa kiũteti.
This is all a political witch hunt and we know it. That is the only reason why you would deny access to council.
They are basically turning the country into a police state.
Kamiti ya EACC ni yagire kiene mĩario ĩno. Mwaria wa EACC Eric Ngumbi akihithuria hamwe na Oparanya. Kamiti ĩno ni irathuthuria magavana 21 a hau kabere na aria mari itura-ini kwa ihinda rĩrĩ.
EACC undertakes its investigations only guided by the law and evidence. We only go where law and evidence direct the commission. So those issues of some leaders having said this and that, EACC is not a political party. As we speak, the commission is investigating 21 governors, that is both the former and the sitting governors, over theft of public funds.
Ngumbi no gereirie ati magavana aya mang'ethirwo ni mashira makonainie na kungumania indo cia muingi kuna mawatho makonainie na uramati wa igĩna gatagati ka mangĩ. Kamiti ĩno ĩkĩranĩra gwĩka ũthuthuria ũyũ hatarĩ kũingĩrĩrwo ni ateti.
And the matters under probe include embezzlement of public funds, payments from public coffers for works not undertaken, for no goods supplied, conflict of interest.
Ica ikuhĩ President William Ruto nĩakoretwo akĩrutĩra mũkana aungumania a indo cia mũingĩ akĩmera kwĩhithania na kabira ciao kana mĩrũgamo yao ya kĩũteti gũtigũtũma macairirwo.
Whoever you are, whatever political party you belong, which religion you come from, which community you come from, which county you come from, we are going to deal decisively and conclusively with corruption in Kenya.
Amwe ya magavana aria mashira mao mari ikiro-ini itiganite magoti-ini ni hamwe na uria wari gavana wa Kiambu Ferdinand Waitito, aria mari magavana a Nairobi Mike Sonko na Evans Kidero, uria wari gavana wa Migori Okoth Obado na uria wari gavana wa Murang'a Mwangi wa Iria. Ihinda-ini riu kamiti ya EACC ni handite cira igoti-ini ikienda maritwa ma ategi 738 aria mari marihwo thutha wa gwakwo gwa gicukiro kia meri kia Lamu meherio na mekirwo mangĩ kuona gatagati-ini ka maritwa maya kwina aria matari ategi na koguo matibatie gukorwo ithabu-ini.
But now that we have completed that investigation and found that some of the persons earlier listed as beneficiaries are actually ghost beneficiaries because they do not fall within the category that was targeted for investigation.
Girifotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi Washige.